Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Ali Asgar. In this video, we will discuss question number 7 of CSS paper 2017 General Liability. Uh, in question number 7a, we have a man buys 5 kg of meat at 500 per kg. In addition, for every kilogram of meat purchased, he has to pay a consumption tax of 6% on the selling price. Calculate total amount of money that he has to pay. Okay, solution. The price of meat is 500 rupees 500 per kg. So the price of 5 kilogram is 5 into 500 because 5 kilo we have. Okay, price of 1 kilo is 500 rupees, and so the price for 5 kilogram meat is 2500. So 6% tax he also have to pay. Okay, so we find the 6% of 2500. For finding 6% of 2500, we have to multiply 6 upon 100 because percentage will be converted into fraction. So we do what? We cancel these 100 into 100 and 100 and 2500. Both zeros will be cancelled. Multiply 6 into 25. You will get this answer 115. Now total price will be equal to price that he has to pay equal to price plus tax. Okay, price of meat plus tax. Price of meat is 2500 plus price of meat is 150. That's equal to 2650. This is total price of the meat. This is required answer. Question number 7b. It takes only 30 minutes to mark a paper. Aslam only needs 25 minutes to mark a paper. If both start marking papers at 10 am, at what time they will finish marking at the same time? Means for solving one paper, Ali requires 30 minutes and Aslam needs 25 minutes. If they start solving papers, marking papers at 10 am, means more than one paper. At what time they will finish, or they will have a common ending, uh, uh, right? So for finding the common ending of a paper, of papers, we have to find LCM. LCM is a tool that gives us the common meat or common end. Okay. Okay, so we have 20 and 30. For these two numbers we have to find LCM. Okay, so the table of 2, 30 is divisible by 2, so we use the table of 2. Okay, table of 2 and 30 is 15 times. We write here 15. 25 is same because 25 is not divisible by 2. Okay, again we use the table of 3 because 15 is divisible by 3. Okay, similarly here 5 and 25 is same. On both 5 and 25 we can use table of 5. Okay, 1 time and 25 is 5 time. Okay, again we got 1 here and 5 here. Okay, so again we have to use the table of 5 on 5. We got, now we multiply all these factors and we get the result 150. 150 means after 150 minutes they will have a common finish. Okay, common finish or common finish of the paper. 150 minutes equal to 2 hours and 30 minutes. So 2 hours and 30 minutes after 10 am will be 12:30 pm. We got a common LCM 150, that's equal to 2 hours and 30 minutes. So though they finish at the same time, that's 12:30 pm. It's required answer for this question. CSS 17, question number 7b, general liability paper. Okay, now we have question number C. C. Uh, two bus tickets from Rawalpindi to Islamabad and three bus tickets from Rawalpindi to Murree cost 770. But three tickets from Rawalpindi to Islamabad and two tickets from Rawalpindi to Murree cost 730. Here we have two routes. One route Rawalpindi to Islamabad and other route is Rawalpindi to Murree. Means one is common. Rawalpindi is common. Okay, starting point. So we have to convert these statements into mathematical equations. Okay, for one we have to write, okay, for this we write x, and for the Rawalpindi, from Rawalpindi to Murree we use y. Okay, solution: let x be the fare from Rawalpindi to Islamabad, it is denoted by x. Okay, and y is Rawalpindi to Murree is denoted by y. Okay, so we change in equation 2 bus tickets from Rawalpindi to Islamabad means 2x, and 3 bus tickets from Rawalpindi to Murree 3x or 3y. So 2x plus 3y, 2 tickets from this route to plus 3 tickets from this route equal to 770. And equation 2 similarly we make from these two lines, that will be equal to 730. Means 3 tickets from Rawalpindi to Islamabad and 2 tickets from Rawalpindi to Murree equal to 730. Now we do what here? We have two variable here, so we have to vanish or eliminate one variable. For eliminating one variable, we have to use mathematical tools, multiplying this equation by 3 and this equation by 2, so that they have same coefficients. We can subtract them easily. Okay, and also subtracting the result of 2 from the result of 1. This is the result of 1, means we have multiplied it by 3. Multiplied by 3 this equation. 3, if we multiply 3, 6x 9y, and it becomes 2310. Okay, now multiplied by 2, it becomes 6x 4y and 1460. Now subtract the result of this equation 2 from the result of equation 1. Okay, for subtracting we change the signs. Okay, here 6x and 6x has been cancelled. Okay, we got here 5x, 9y minus 4y, we got 5y. Now we have got one variable. Now it's easy to find the value of y, because on left side it is in multiplication, we divide on right side. So we have got the result of y, means the fare from the Rawalpindi to Murree is 170. Now let's find the fare from the Rawalpindi to Islamabad. Okay, we put this value in equation 1. This is equation 1. We put here the value of y. Okay, 170. Okay, we will get here 2x plus 510. 510 is positive on left side, it becomes negative on right side. Okay, here we get 260. 2x is multiplied with x and will be divided on right side. So we will have result x equal to 130, means the fare from Rawalpindi to Islamabad is 130. Okay, this is these answers we have got. These both are answers, but we can also verify them whether either the answer are correct or wrong. Okay, for checking them we have to put in equation 1. In equation 1 we put the fare from the Rawalpindi to Islamabad and fare from Rawalpindi to Murree, and we check the result, we got 770. And similarly we check for the second statement, we will get as well result, hence the results are verified. Question number 7, D. It says A told to B that C is his father's nephew. D is his cousin, but not brother of C. What relation is there between D and C? It's question number 7, D. Okay, according to question, C is his cousin. Okay, first one, because here his father's nephew means cousin. cousin of A. Okay, and D is A's cousin. But D is not brother of C. So the possible relation between D and C is D's sister. First, it may be D is sister of C and D is cousin of C. These both are possible. Okay, it can be any cousin or it can be sister of D. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Please share among your friend and